Percentage concept. Have you heard the word percentage before? Yes, of course. Where? Mostly in connection with your exam marks. When you get your marks, your parents must be talking about your percentage. You must have seen ads and signs in stores which offer discounts in terms of percentage. Even when people are talking about how much the price of something has risen or fallen, they talk in percentages. Banks use percentages for loan rates. Weather forecasts use percentage to tell us the chances of rain. There are so many things around us that use percentages. So you see how important percentage is part of our day-to-day life. Let's learn about percentage in detail. What does the word percentage mean? Let us break this word up. We have per and cent and age. Per is equal to every. Cent is equal to 100. So per cent means every 100. Per cent age for every 100. So when we talk about percentage, we talk about the value for every 100 of the thing. And the symbol for percentage is. Let us see how the percentage is actually calculated. Look at this square. It has been divided into 100 equal parts. 40 out of 100 parts are shaded. So we say that 40% of the square is shaded pink. 40 parts out of 100 is written as 40 upon 100 is shaded. In percentage, we write it as 40% is shaded. Look at this square. It has been divided into 100 equal parts. 56 out of 100 parts are shaded. So we say that 56% of the square is shaded yellow. 56 parts out of 100 is written as 56 upon 100 is shaded. In percentage, we write it as 56% is shaded. Look at this square. It has been divided into 100 equal parts. 36 out of 100 parts are shaded. So we say that 36% of the square is shaded brown. 36 parts out of 100 is written as 36 upon 100 is shaded. In percentage, we write it as 36% is shaded. Look at this square. It has been divided into 100 equal parts. 20 parts have been colored green. 20 out of the 100 is 20%. So 20% of the square is green. 30 parts have been colored orange. 30 out of the 100 is 30%. So 30% of the square is orange. 50 parts have been colored blue. 50 out of the 100 is 50%. So 50% of the square is blue. What happens if you add up the percentages for the blue, green and orange parts? 50% plus 20% plus 30% is equal to 100%. So the whole square is equal to 100%. This large square is made up of 100 small parts. 10 parts are yellow. So 10% of the large square is yellow. 40 parts are red. So 40% of the large square is red. 50 parts are brown. So 50% of the large square is brown. If you add up the percentages for all the parts, you get 50% plus 40% plus 10%, which is equal to 100%. So the whole square is equal to 100%. Let's see how we can express percentage. In a box containing 100 mangoes, 67 mangoes are ripe. How can we express this sentence in terms of percentage? We know that 67 mangoes are ripe out of 100. So we say, in a box, 67% of the mangoes are ripe. In a class, there are 20 girls out of every 100 children. How can we express this sentence in terms of percentage? We know that there are 20 girls out of 100. So we say, in a class, 20% of the children are girls. Now you know the concept of percentage.